Bohemian interior decor is one of my favorite design styles because when it's good, it's really good. In today's video, I'll be covering my top tips for how you can nail that boho chic style in your space. Welcome back to Martin-MadeTV, inspiring life, home, and style. Thanks for tuning in to Martin-MadeTV. I'm Kim and I cover topics all about life, home, and style. So if that's what you're into, please subscribe to the channel. Getting right into what makes this design style bohemian, we'll start with mixing patterns and colors. Don't be afraid to mix it up. Using color schemes that are bright and complementary and even monochromatic can all work in boho decor. This creates an added depth and sense of interest in the design that easily translates into making the space feel cozy and inviting. In sticking with the mix it up theme, this is the best place to incorporate a wide variety of different textures in your design. Bohemian design is all about the tactile experience as well as the visual experience. So here you might see different things mixed together like embroideries, tassels, velvets, all types of textures thrown throughout. This mix of textures aids in amplifying that lived-in vibe that we normally feel in a bohemian space. And layering rugs in this space does the exact same thing that layering textiles does. It adds to the tactile and visual experience of the space, as well as making it feel cozy, homey, and inviting. Now this has probably got to be my favorite aspect of bohemian decor, the artwork. In many of the best design spaces, you will always see an eclectic mix of pieces. These pieces help to add interest to the space, and they also aid in telling the story or the narrative of the room. An eclectic mix of art definitely sets the tone of bohemian decor and establishes the vibe. The same can also be said for the mix of antiques and ethnic or tribal elements that are customary in bohemian design. They add interest to the space and communicate the narrative and the vibe of the room. And with this, it's important to remember that bohemian decor is all about the experience or the feeling of the room as much as it is about the pretty things to look at. Boho chic is the epitome of exuding that cozy and collected feeling, the feeling of warmth and home. And before I wrap up this video, I'll end with one caveat that tends to bother people sometimes regarding bohemian decor. There's a very thin line between having a collected space and a cluttered space. Always remember, we are not shooting for the space to look like your grandmother's cluttered living room where you feel like you cannot even move through the pieces of furniture. That's not what we're going for. Keep this in mind when trying to curate this style for yourself, and be sure to use inspiration images, a lot like the ones I have on my Pinterest page, to make sure you're still sticking with that boho chic vibe and scheme that you're going for. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and even share it with someone who you think might like it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one on life, home, and style. I have so many more in the works, and actually, if you have any suggestions for videos I can do, leave that down in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.